What is
the gooseneck barnacle? So these are both barnacles, and they are both crustaceans.
You say a goose barnacle?
Gooseneck, sorry.
Oh,
This is a small thing up there, or
are they those ones?
Oh, the white acorn ones are on the rocks.
Yeah, which one is the gooseneck?
Acorn. I'm sorry?
what is it actually? Is it the whole thing?
The whole thing that I'm holding.
Is it gooseneck?
Yeah.
Is it all one?
I mean,
there's like
there are
small,
multiple heads, but this is gooseneck barnacle. Yeah. Because I guess it kind of looks like a goose's neck a little bit. I'm gonna put it back now. Okay. So that is crustacea. There's more crustacea. Oh, there's a shrimp right here. Well, you guys know what shrimp look like. And there's a crab. This is actually a crab, not a rock.
What is the hermit crab?
Hermit crab is that black one over there.
Oh, the small.
And there's examples of them in the tank over there too, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, let's see. In terms of crustacea, that's it. There's also a brine shrimp somewhere. Actually, right here. Can you guys see? Behind this rock, or under this rock a little bit, is this clear shrimp-like thing. That's a brine shrimp. And that is all of Arthropoda. You see the crab is moving. So that's not a rock.
Is that a shrimp moving on a rock?
I'm sorry? Oh yeah, there we go, brine shrimp. It is moving on the rock. Oh, yeah.
For the purpose of the lab exam, would we get an organism that's stationary?
Brine shrimp, maybe. Okay, so here's one example of a stationary organism, right? The tunicate. What phylum is this? Vertebrate or chordata, right? And what what class?
Hey, what is that?
Tunicate. Also commonly known as a sea squirt because when you press it, it squirts water.
Oh.
So that's a way to memorize it. This is actually a sessile organism. It's a chordata class Urochordata. Sessile means non-moving.
Okay.
So you know how hydra are either sessile or moving, motile?
That's a hydra?
I'm sorry. No. This is a tunicate.
Oh, okay.
Chordata, Urochordata.
Okay.
The class. Sea squirt.
And is that one organism or is it a colony?
This is one organism.
Okay.
It's weird.
And how is that a vertebrate?
I think it's because phylogeny is like changed, like it is modified all the time. So according to like old classification, it was classified as a chordata, but it's actually not a vertebrate. It's in chordata, but it's an invertebrate.
Okay.
That's the one species that is an invertebrate that is chordata.
Okay, but it has like this nervous system that's relatively complex.
I don't know about that. I think it's not that complex. Just know that it is. I'm sorry?
There's a sea squirt that's an invertebrate, but in chordata. Wait, so why is it?
And it just classification systems keep on changing, but it just was maintained in that class that it was put in. Yeah. Okay, let's do review because that is all the new material. What is this? Looks like an eyeball. It's not a crustacean.
No, it's not.
It's a limpet. Very good. So this is a limpet. It is phylum what? Gastropoda, phylum Mollusca.
Should we know like the individual names like limpet?
Yeah. Because on the practical they might ask you like name an organism that is a mollusk, or name an organism that is a deuterostome. So you have to say specifically what organism, not just like...
name a gastropod?
Yeah, so you can't just say gastropod, you have to say limpet, or this purple thing. What is this purple thing? This is a whelk, so it's also a gastropod.
What is that?
A whelk? It looks like a conch, W-H-E-L-K, whelk. Yeah, so that's a whelk. This here is a scallop, right? You can tell because it looks like a shell sign, but also it has reddish lips. It's a phylum Mollusca, class Bivalvia. That's an empty one. And the beaker, that's a marine clam. So that is also phylum Mollusca, class Bivalvia. And another one that is phylum Mollusca, class Bivalvia is the mussel, which is this black one here. They're all over the place. And actually that shell right here is of a mollusk.
Did you say phylum bivalve?
Phylum Mollusca, class bivalve. What is this? Sea anemone. What phylum?
Nidaria.
Nidaria class.
What is that?
This is a sea anemone, phylum Nidaria class. No? Anthozoa. Anthozoa. So that's the only example of a Nidaria in the tank. So this is a sea anemone, this is a sea anemone, the yellow one here is a sea anemone, the pink one over here is a sea anemone, and all the little pink ones are the rocks and stuff, the little tiny ones that are also sea anemone. In addition to, well, Nidaria, there's also Hydrozoa, which are hydra, which are not found in here. There's also Cyphozoa, which are jellyfish, not found in here. Cubozoa, box jellyfish, also not found in here. So it's only Anthozoa is in the tank. Yeah.
So, what makes box jellyfish different? Are those ones that are they're a colony of organisms as opposed to the other ones?
I'm actually not sure why they are organized as a different one, but
So like man of war, like the Portuguese man of war, like